What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you how to exchange your duplicate stickers for rewards. So let's get right into it guys. To access your stickers, click on the album button down right and you'll get access to your album, and if you click on each of these collections you will see exactly which cards you have. Every time you get a duplicate sticker, for example arrangements, if you click on it, on the left side you will see either a +1, +2, or plus how many duplicate stickers you have guys. I have 0, however I will show you what it looks like when you actually have duplicates. As I've said, you can see on the left side you see a +1. This person has one duplicate of 2 left feet and they can either choose to send it to a friend, or you can see on the top of the sticker it has 2 stars, and now I'll explain exactly what that is guys. Now, for each of those stars, every time you get a duplicate, you get that many stars in your inventory. However, are above the sticker you have a duplicate of. If you click on the green safe in the bottom right, this screen will pop up and you will see your total amount of stars, guys, and you can use those stars to exchange them for rewards. I have 0, however, whenever I collect any duplicate stickers, that I will have more stars. For example, if I reach 100 stars, I can click this button right here, and I will get the rewards for the green safe guys, which is usually rewards in the form of dice, money, etc. If you want higher rewards, higher tier rewards, you will need to upgrade your net worth. And for example, if you reach 450 net worth, you will get tier 2 rewards available to you, and you will get more dice and more money from them guys. That is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.